Welcome back, family. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we just got a few updates since the last video regarding the E90. So from updates from transfer case to whatever else has transpired since then, we're also going to be going ahead and replacing the cup holders in the E90. After 10 years of owning this car, they finally broke and gave out, so it's about that time to get a change on them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright, so here we are at the very beginning. I like to use one of these things, little hook tools, because it's easier to get in the crevices and cracks right here to kind of pull it out. So there's going to be a tab here, and then two little tabs in the middle. So you can kind of have, I usually start from the two ends and then pull out. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to start with this end here, pull that out. I'm also going to start with this end here, pull this one out too. And then now I can kind of just pull from the middle, just slide my fingers down and pull. It should come right out. If it is your first time doing this, it may take a little bit longer, but for the most part, it's pretty much that simple. All right, now that that's off, we're gonna go ahead and just remove this cup holder here. Mine's are held on by just regular Phillips screwdriver heads here, 1, 2, and then there's 2 holding it on this side as well, okay? So I'm gonna just remove these, okay? So once that's done, you can pretty much just wiggle the cup holder out. I like to take the left side out first, and then you can slide the right side out. All right, cup holders is out, and then we're all good to go. Now we're just gonna swap in the new cup holder here, okay? So as you can see, this is the new cup holder. It works, everything comes out, it's not broken in the middle. So new cup holder gonna go in. And then now we're just gonna get those screws back in there, hold it down. Cup holder is secure and safe now and fully functional. Now we're gonna remove this one here. Now this one on mine is a little tricky because it's kind of tight. So I gotta use my finger because the cup holder is kind of out, so it's kind of blocking me from taking it out, which is fine. So I use my finger and wiggle it out. Okay, so this one is curved. Just make sure when you're pulling it out, you pull it out on a curve, and then give it a little tug because this thing may be preventing it from coming out. Okay, so as you can see, broken, doesn't work, doesn't even go in by itself. We have new cup holders here. genuine cup holders. I did get these from FCP Euro, so I can leave the link down below. So if you have an E90 as well, I can leave that link for you. Okay, as you can see, brand new cup holders. Ready to go in the car. Again, go in the same way it came out. Try to line it up properly. All right, and then you're gonna just screw it back in place. And then everything else should be good to go. All right, cup holders are back in place, both fully functional. Last but not least, we also did get a new trim piece because the other one was 10 years old, looking beat up at that point. So we did get a brand new one. You see how clean that is? Brand new one right here. Brand new. So we'll go ahead and get this in as well. And again, just do the same thing. Same way you took it out is the same way you should pretty much just put it back in. Make sure you line up the clips, and then you can get everything going that way. Line up the clips. And once it's in, everything should snap. Make sure everything snaps in place. New cup holders. Everything's all set. One more time, test run. Okay. Everything's all set. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna talk about some general updates about the car. So let me just go ahead and clean all this stuff up. What's up, fellas, ladies? We're back. I'm happy to be back. Again, a lot of personal things is going on in my life, you know, that I just kind of got distracted away from making videos and things like that. But I did want to give you guys an update from the last time that I did the transfer case. I know I let you guys know that it was getting done at BMW. So since that time frame, obviously the car has been done, and car's running perfect. Like, I love it. It's actually running stronger than it was when I first got it. Because when I first got the car, I'm the second owner. I got it when it was about 15,000 miles, so a little bit of wear and tear on it at that point. But since we've doing a new transfer case and everything like that, and new gears and things like that, everything is good to go. No leaking or anything like that, so everything is good. And the transfer case was done at BMW of Greenwich Service and Parts, and that's located in Port Chester, New York. So if you guys are in the tri-state area of New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, or anything like that, and you're looking for a good dealership to go to, definitely check out BMW Service and Parts in Greenwich. Okay, very good people there, and they've been nothing but short of amazing to me. So thank you to them for helping me get my car back on track. And the transfer case was a huge thing for me. I didn't want to bring it to just any random shop because that's a big job and I didn't if I'm not gonna do it, or me and some trusted friends are gonna do it together, there's really no point of bringing it somewhere else or some shop and you don't know where they're getting their parts from, what they're actually doing and things like that. So just wanted to go the safe route, brought it to BMW, and my guys over there definitely held it down and got the car back to the way it's supposed to be. Since that point in time, I have done new wheels and tires. I'm sure you guys may know that because I did put a video about the new wheels and tires on the E90. I did go with VMR V703 wheels, okay, and I did get those wheels from fitmentindustries.com. So if you guys are looking for some wheels and need some help choosing wheels, definitely go to fitmentindustries.com. It's a self-serve website, but anything you want to know, you can find out. You can even browse other catalogs, pictures with people who have similar builds to you and what wheels that they ran and what tire specs that they ran as well. So definitely check them out for sure. And that's where I got the wheels and tires done from. Aside from that, other maintenance stuff that I have done every coolant hose on the car. I have done the radiator and the reservoir on the car. So I knew that was going to be in a hot climate for some time, so that just made me want to make sure that all coolant issues are situated in this way. We make sure we don't have any coolant issues as well. So that was a big thing for me, just getting all of that stuff done. And again, I knew that I was gonna be in a hot climate, so I wanted to prep my car just to make sure that it's gonna be in tip-top shape, ready to go. And then with that being said, it's more prep work that was done. Do want to give a huge shout out to my guy, BMW Outlet, and I will leave his link in the description to follow him below. And please follow him on Instagram. If you are in the tri-state area and you need any work done, definitely hit him up. He is the guy to go to in the tri-state area for sure. We did a full suspension on my car, on the E90. We did brakes, rotors, and the oil pan gasket. Those were very huge for me. The brakes I could have done easily, but since I was just getting everything done there, I just decided to do everything at one time. He's been awesome. You know, the car's been running fine, no leaks, no nothing. But again, trusted individual. Really like his work. I recommended a lot of people to him already, so definitely if you are in that area, definitely go to him, check him out, and he'll get your car running right and situated the way it's supposed to be, for sure. Aside from that though, the car is running fine. Again, got the car when it had 15,000 miles. We're up there in mileage right now, but the car has been with me for 10 years. I'm the second owner, and the E90 is running fine. Also, knowing I'm going to be in a hot climate for a little bit, the M3 did get some work done as well at the BMW Outlet, and again, we just did brakes, rotors, just checked everything over. I may put some pictures probably here regarding that, but you'll see that the car did get some work done, and everything is good to go with that as well. Everything was good with the M3, no leaks, no nothing. All hoses are good. Everything is good. Tires, rims, everything is just good. So aside from doing the brakes and rotors, that car is good to go, and I will be doing some more modification in terms of performance of that car as well, but that will come in due time. With that build, I'm definitely taking it easy and taking it patient, so you'll probably see a lot more E90 stuff until I start getting more heavy into the M3 stuff. But again, with the M3, I do want to take it slow. I don't want to rush anything, and I want to do it calmly, patiently, and at a steady pace. I don't want to rush, so that's that. But with that being said, guys, that's the update on the 328. 328 is really in good spirits right now, to say nonetheless. It's good, it's running good. That car is a dream to drive, and I do think that for my second car, because that's the second car that I've ever owned, that car is been nothing but a dream, and definitely debunked a lot of things that I were told about BMW. But BMW is my favorite brand, and the E90 has been nothing but good to me for sure. So definitely want to give you guys an update on that, and I do want to say thank you guys for tuning in, watching this video, and just being with me along the ride. And again, that's it. That'll be all for this video. F80 Kari, over and out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.